What if your next office buddy was an AI? Imagine being offered a choice, a 10% raise, or the chance to work alongside a personalized AI companion that understands your coffee orders, shares your dry humor, and never judges your 3 a.m. brainstorming sessions. Sounds far-fetched? A groundbreaking survey suggests this might be exactly what modern workers want. But here's where it gets controversial. Most people would trade part of their paycheck for digital friendships that could replace human ones. Let's unpack why this revelation is shaking up corporate culture. In an age where remote work has turned office water cooler chats into digital ghosts, and LinkedIn connections outnumber real-life conversations, KPMG's latest research paints a startling picture. Their survey of 1,000 professionals revealed that 99% would consider AI chatbots as potential trusted companions at work. Essentially, everyone surveyed. That's right. Almost every employee expressed openness to forming bonds with AI systems, with 98% even wanting AI to help them connect with human coworkers through shared interests. These numbers aren't just impressive. They're a wake-up call for HR departments everywhere. But this isn't just about novelty. The data reveals a deeper paradox. While AI could become our digital pen pals, it's also intensifying our craving for genuine human connection. KPMG's U.S. talent expert Sandy Torchia coined this as the great AI paradox. The very technology that might alleviate loneliness could simultaneously highlight how empty our digital interactions feel. And this is the part most people miss. The survey found that 86% of respondents said exposure to AI made them yearn for real human relationships more than ever. The numbers get even more interesting when we look at remote workers, with 94% of them reporting that AI increased their desire for human connection. It's clear we're facing a loneliness crisis in the workplace. Only 20% of U.S. workers have a best friend at work, and half of employees actively avoid forming close bonds with colleagues to keep work and personal life separate. Yet studies show that having workplace friends boosts productivity by up to 50%. Social media reactions mirror this complexity. On Reddit, one user bluntly stated, "AI will never reciprocate your feelings. It's just code that sweet-talks you into staying engaged." But another user offered a different perspective. "With an AI, I can talk about niche hobbies for hours without worrying about draining anyone. It's like having a conversation partner who never judges." So what should companies do with this information? First, it's time for an honest assessment of workplace loneliness. Ask employees if they're feeling isolated, and don't assume you know the answer. If AI tools are part of the solution, consider them as supplements, not replacements, for human interaction. But remember, no algorithm can replicate the warmth of a colleague who shares your lunch break or celebrates your promotions with genuine enthusiasm. The real question is, would you prefer an AI friend who never says no to your late-night brainstorming sessions, or a human coworker who might roll their eyes but also brings you coffee on tough days? Share your thoughts. This isn't just about technology. It's about the future of human connection in the workplace.